Hi and Assalamualaikum. Now my friend and I will solve question number 3. Oh, I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Nur Fikri bin Muhammad Arif. Today I want to intro about determine the stationary point. First, we must find dy dx, and second, find the value of x where dy dx equals 0. And third, find the value of y. Question number 3. Y equal x power 3 plus 2x power 2 negative 7x plus 5. First, we must find dy dx. X power 3, we differentiate and got 3x power 2, 2x power 2, we differentiate and got 4x, negative 7x, we differentiate and we got 7, 5, differentiate and got 0. Second, find value of x when dy dx equals 0. dy dx equals 0. dy dx, we must put dy dx. dy dx equals 0, and we factorize dy dx. 3x power 2 plus 4x negative 7, we factorize and we got x1 equal 1 and x2 equal negative 2.333. Okay, and third, we find the value of y. x1 equal y1 equal x, we change to the number we get in x1. Okay, 1 power 3 plus 2 multiplication 1 power 2 negative 7 multiplication 1 plus 5, and we got the answer y1 is 1. x2, we use the same calculation method with x1. Okay, we change x to the number we get in x2. Okay, y2 equal negative 2.33 power 3 plus 2 multiplication negative 2.33 power 2 and negative 7 multiplication negative 2.33 and plus 5. We got the answer y2 is 19.52.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Afiq Daniel. My matrix number is 10DJL22F1003. Today, I will tell you how to determine the nature of stationary point. So here is the table of the nature of stationary point. If we will get the point less than 0, we will get maximum point, and our graph will be like this. And if we get point more than 0, we will get minimum point, and our graph will be like this. And if we get point equals to 0, we will get inflection point, and our graph will be like this. So the first step how to determine the nature of the stationary point is we need to differentiate for the second time. So here is the equation after we differentiate for the first time, and here is the equation after we differentiate for the second time. So if we get equation like this, we need to replace x x with the value we get after we factorize this equation. So after we factorize this equation, we will get value of x is 1 and negative 2.333. So here we replace x with the value we get after we factorize that equation. So here 6 multiplication 1 plus 4, we will get 10. And here we replace x with the value we get after we factorize the equation, we will get 6 multiplication 2 negative 2.33 plus 4, and we will get the answer is minus 10, sorry, negative 10. So the stationary point is 1 and 1 is minimum point, and the second point is negative 2.333 and 19.52 is maximum point.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and having a good day to all my fellow friend and my lovely lecturer. First of all, I want to thanks to my friend which is Afiq Daniel for his calculation that he did. Before that, I want to introduce myself first. Assalamualaikum. My name is Haika Amar bin Hakimi, and my number matric is 10DJL 22F 1005. Today I will tell about my part, which is we need to sketch a graph for our question. To draw a graph, the way to determine the shape of the graph is to see the minimum point and the maximum point more than empty or less than empty. This can determine the shape of the graph, whether it is smiling graph or sour graph. After getting the point, which is the minimum and the maximum point for this question, we will got the shape of the graph as written where 1, 1 is the minimum point, and negative 2.333 and 19.52 is our maximum point. The conclusion is, before doing this equation, we need to learn how to determine the stationary point and how to determine the nature of stationary point. We also need to know how to differentiation, and this can make it easier for us to solve this equation as follows. That's all from us. We hope that what we give to you guys will help you guys to do the question like this. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.